ADC has taken initiatives for upgradation of ADC own roads into all weather road in phased manner. Accordingly, various project proposals are submitted for seeking fund to the Article 275(1) provision, that is SCA, Special Central Assistance, SCA means TSP, Tribal Supplant, NESIDS, Northeast Special Infrastructure Development Scheme, and MGNREGA, etc. In this way, we do hope that we will be able to upgrade all ADC road into all-weather road within the coming 5 years period, subject to availability of fund. Thank you.
বেনউল নূর মাননীয় সদস্য বিমল কান্তি চাকমা।
Honorable Chairman, প্রাথমিক শিক্ষা উন্নতি কল্পে এডিসি প্রশাসন